So Opus 4.7 just was released, and I've been building a lot of bots for Polymarket. So I want to go ahead and apply Opus 4.7 to a new idea I have, and I will tell you that idea immediately. So if you're already an algorithmic trader, you already know how to remove your emotions and automate your trading, then you can go ahead and take the idea and probably beat me to it. Well, maybe not, because by the end of this, I'll already have it up. But at the end of the day, Opus 4.7 is here. And as the models get better, my systems should get better. At least the system of me coding new ideas should get better. So let's just go ahead and test it out. You can see all the benchmarks. It's better and better. The human brain cannot comprehend compound interest or compound intelligence. So let's go over to the Polymarket bot. My name is Moondav. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's the only reason I'm crazy enough to share all this information. I believe if you learn how to code, you won't have to listen to anybody for the rest of your life. You can just build the ideas that you want to build. So I'll show you everything here, even if I leak edge. And the idea that I have today is this one. Look at moondav.com/docs here. You can see that we get Polymarket whales. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and first off, make a file that spits out all of the Polymarket whales based off of the Moondav API/docs. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and sort them out. I want you to then go ahead and build. So first build that, print out the path to that so I can run it on a different terminal, and I'll start then sorting through those whales. Make sure that printout has the full link to their Polymarket so I can click them. And then while I'm looking through them, I want you to go ahead and build a bot out that essentially is like our stink bid bots. We have stink bid bots for the no markets, for tennis, et cetera, et cetera. I want you to use the same type of methodology there where it's like, okay, the variable says negative 30%. So that means we're bidding at 30%. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have room for a list of these wallets to track, these whales to track. The reason I want you to run that script first is because on the right side, I'm going to run this terminal and I'm going to go through those whales by hand and filter some of them out. I don't want to follow all of them. I'll give you the final list here that you can add to that bot that you're building. And essentially, it's going to look at all of their new positions. Nah. This is different, actually. It's going to look at all of their current positions. It's going to look at their current positions. And that's where we're going to pick from. We'll just use $5 size for now. If I give you 10 wallets back, 10 whales back, those are our positions we will take. But we're going to sit there on the bid of whatever side that they picked, but at X% discount. So we're stink bidding whales at the end of the day. Okay, thank you. Go ahead and send me back that scanner first, and then I'll go ahead and run it, and I'll send you back the actual wallets to use. But for now, just pick 5 of them randomly, and then I'll, yeah, go ahead. Thanks. All right, Claude 4.7. Can you cook based off of that ramble, jamble, amble? We'll see. We'll see. That's the idea that I had today. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do, but then I had to go ahead and test 4.7. Oh, and then I became the wolf of 0 DTEs. And then I'm up 200% on my 0 DTEs this morning. That was crazy. So then I had to look into the public API again because they said they were going to have a rebate for that. I don't know. I just come here and I code everything. I share everything because I believe code's a great equalizer, and you guys are way smarter than me. So every time I share an idea with you, it seems that I get 2-3 ideas back. So that's a fair trade to me. I was scared of learning how to code. I really was. I spent 10 years in tech, scared, having to hire people. I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, off Upwork, paying developers to build apps and whatnot. I bought a course when I was a kid. They showed me how to build apps using Upwork, and I ran it up. I bought that guy's knowledge because he knew something I didn't know. I took a risk, yes. But then I made it happen. Off of his knowledge, I built my own systems. And what it taught me after 10 plus years, well, if I get into an industry like algorithmic trading where everything is so secretive, I must learn how to code. Number one, because there's going to be too many iterations in order to pay somebody on Upwork. You think an iPhone app has a lot of iterations? Yeah, there's going to be more iterations here with algorithmic trading. If you want to remove the most dangerous thing in your trading, which is emotions, well, it's going to be hard work. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion, though. And I've heard about the 4-minute mile, you know. That was physically impossible before, but then somebody did it, and then 15 other